Hello class, and welcome to the library research guide that we have created for your final research paper. Very quickly, I just want to introduce you to what you can expect to find on this guide. If we scroll down a little bit, you'll see that we have your full assignment listed here, and we have a summary of what you are supposed to include in your research paper here as well. So one article from a world of ideas. You also are required to include a book, scholarly article, newspaper article, magazine, and other resources as well. And in this guide, you can find links to every single one of these sources that you're required to include. We have a tab here for Understand Your Topic. This tab includes links to background resources that you can use to get general information for each of your topics. And I would just include one search term at a time, such as Plato or perception. Gale Ebooks is a great place to start, and we have another video on how to use that resource better here. If we move over to our next tab, you'll see that we have links to several ebooks that you can access from the library's website. These are books that you can see in their entirety here, and you can read them from home 24/7. On the next tab, find articles. Librarians have listed several databases that we feel would be best used for your topics. If we scroll down again, you'll see we have a video here on how to better use EBSCOhost. And the librarians have also put together some websites that they have pre-vetted for you that might be good for your research. We have a link to how to create your works cited page in MLA. There's a whole nother guide for that. Tips on how to write your paper, research tutorials. These include additional videos that you might be able to use as well. And then information and troubleshooting for off-campus login. Whenever you click on one of these links for a library database, it will ask you to log in with the same username and password that you use for Canvas. That's the only difference between accessing it from home and from school. And you'll notice over here on the right-hand side, there's always a chat with a librarian feature. So whenever the library is open, Monday through Thursday, 7:30 a.m. to 10 p.m., a librarian will be staffing this Fridays from 7:30 to 3, and Saturdays and Sundays from 10 to 3. We are open 7 days a week now. So if you ever have a question on how to access the databases, find your resources, or your works cited page, don't forget you can always chat with a librarian. If you want additional help on how to write your research paper, coming up with your thesis statement and your subparagraphs and whatnot, the Success Center also has a similar chat feature. So I would encourage you to take a look and take advantage of those resources as well. So best of luck with your research paper, and I hope to hear from some of you.